Hello everyone, I am Mariel Sinriquez from BS Infotech 3F and welcome to my website named mariel.friziel.online. And in this video, I will be giving you a walkthrough of my personal website, showing what it contains, why I built it, and how it represents my skills, projects, and goals as a developing IT student. So without further ado, let's start. Now, let's go to my home page. So this is my home page. So the home page welcomes the visitors with a clean, modern design. As you can see here, these are my hobbies and likes. So this page sets the tone for the rest of my site. It shows a simple, organized, and user-friendly design. So now, let us proceed to the menu section. Click menu. So you can see here in the menu bar all the functions that I've added in my plugin. But before that, we are going first to my portfolio. This is my portfolio page. So this page showcases the systems and website I've built, including simple guestbook plugin, building a CRUD plugin, project website deployment in Hostinger, e-commerce plugin, white label plugin, WordFence plugin, Ultimate Member for User Role plugin, and Chatway plugin. So we have here activity one. So the activity one is we created this in our laboratory. These are the first step where we install WordPress offline. So this is the screenshot. And also our first ever simple guestbook plugin using also offline WordPress. And then the simple guestbook form with CMS plugin development. So when you input all the information here, we proceed to the simple guestbook display where the guestbook entries show. And then the external product list. So in activity 4 these are the building WordPress CRUD plugin. So this is the student database plugin. So when you input here, the submitted enrollment form of a student will show here. As you can see here, we can see the student enrollment. I've already created a sample. So after you submit, you will see here the enrolled students. So these are the samples. So next is the WordPress Wither plugin with third-party API. So again, I've created this in WordPress offline. So this from activity 1 to activity 5 are those activities that I've created using WordPress online. So now let's proceed to the activity 6, which is the website deployment and management project. So this one is the creation of my account using Hostinger. Next is the e-commerce plugin activity, which I've created my shop and also show there my sample products. So I would like to show how and where you can see the e-commerce plugin. So here. So you can see here, these are the orders. So these are the sample orders that I've created in my e-commerce. And if you want to see, you can see also the products. So as you can see here, these are the section where we can add a new product or a products of what are you going to sell. In activity 8, we install and configure white label plugin. So this part is the use of white label is for you to be able to design your website of what you wanted to customize it. So I will show you my plugin, white label. So this one. So this one, white label. So here, so in my branding, I just custom page titles, Enrique's midterm project, admin bar, I added a bar logo to see here. So this is the bar logo. And then admin bar alt text, Enrique's, place of the text, hello. Side menu image. So as you can see here, this is the side menu image where you can see here in the upper part of our menu. And then the footer image, and so on. Next is install and configure WordFence plugin for 2FA. So this WordFence is used for security purposes of your website to protect your website from hackers and irrelevant persons. So now I will show you the plugin of my WordFence. So let's go to my menu section here. And then as you can see, these are the WordFence. So in my WordFence, you can see here the dashboard, firewall, scan tools, login security, all options, and so on. So now let's go to lista. Login security. So this is used for a two-factor authentication. So when you log in my website, after you log in, you are going to input also the second factor authentication, which is the code. So I've already created my code, but I will show you what are the code that I mean. So generate. So this is the code that you are going to put into FA authentication for you to be able to fully log in my website. So now let's move on to Ultimate Member for User Roles plugin. So this plugin is used for customization of example, as an administrator, I want my user to see other features, not everything, but some features. So this part is you can customize. So I will show you the plugin of Ultimate Member. So this one. So it's dashboard settings. Use here settings, access, emails. This part you can customize what email notification you wanted user should be notified. And then forms we have here. Then user rules. This one. We have here user role member directories. And then let's go back to my website. And now, lastly is the Chatway plugin for chat box. So this part, the customer can clarify and can chat for what problem he or she encountered in your website and what are the inquiries in your shop and everything. As you can see here, this is the part, this is the chat head of our Chatway. So click here. So now you can see here, I have already a sample of the Chatway. So here the website administrator already had a reply in my message. So now I will show you the plugin. So let's go back to our menu bar. And now you can see here the Chatway. So this part is the reply section of the administrator. So here the administrator will be able to reply the user inquiries. And here we can also edit some features and what are the features that you wanted to show in your customization of your Chatway. So here I already created my type of customization of what I want to show in my Chatway. So these are all my plugins. Go back to my website and I will show you the other function of the here in the menu. So user. So this is what you see in the user. This is part of the Ultimate Member for user roles. Then my account. Then account. So here you can create your account if you are a new user. Login. Register. So in this section you can register. I think this is also part of the Ultimate Member. Let's go back to my portfolio. So again, the activity 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I've to make it online, I just zip the file and then add plugin, upload plugin, and then there I choose my zip file and then install and activate. So that's it. Thank you for watching this short presentation of my portfolio website, mariel.friziel.online. I hope you enjoyed the tour. So see you next time.